we just like tonight. You know you wanna turn up, I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling, don't be scared. Turn up. We ain't gotta rush, we can slow it down.
YouTube, this your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Okay, guys, so I just did the Jeffree Star spoiler assumption video. Definitely go check that out. I want to hear your guesses in the comments down below as well. And right now, I have finally the BH Cosmetics haul, especially for Miss Alyssa, who's been asking. Girl, this video is dedicated to you. I'm finally gonna do it. I'm so sorry. Yesterday, I was gone all day. I was not expecting that, but I was so exhausted when I got back to the house. I was like, okay, yeah, I just want to just lay down and watch Buffy. I am so tired. So I am about to do this video. I'm so excited because I don't even remember what the heck I bought. I know that's horrible, but I don't remember what I bought. So this is going to be really cool for you and really cool for me. All right, but real quick, I just want to remind everybody, if you are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, 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 ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways, and right now I have a Valentine's Day giveaway going on. It's going all the way through the month of March, February. Definitely get your entries in and comment down below of that video. I will leave the link in the description box below. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, what is your sign? I'm a Gemini. What are you? Let's get into this BH Cosmetics haul. Okay, so real quick, honestly, I don't even remember how much I spent. I don't know if it's gonna tell me. But I can tell you right now that this was I think it was like a January purchase. I think I did this in January. So it was like a month ago or whatever. But it was a lot of stuff on sale. And you guys know BH Cosmetics has Afterpay. So there you go. So the first thing I'm seeing right here is a Christmas. So obviously I got this on sale. It is the XO Mistletoe Kisses Cashmere Cream Lip Trio. Trio. Okay, yeah, these are sealed pretty good. Let's see. Ooh. Is this how they go? What the freak? Oh my gosh, guys, I can't get this out. Oh, okay. Just push them out like this. Okay. So I actually really like their liquid lips, BH Cosmetics. They're really good. And this is a cashmere cream. So I've never tried cashmere cream before. This must be a new formula for them. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, cute. Oh, the perfect nude. Maybe I should try this on. Oh, wow. I definitely could put some stuff on there. But, I don't know. They kind of look really drying. But maybe that's the cream. I don't know. Definitely spruced up my lips, though. I like that color. Very pretty. And then we also got Slay, which is this beautiful, like, red. And we got this beautiful, ooh, this, like, burgundy pink. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. So we got these. Oh, I like the way that color turned out. Okay. Then also I got here the BH Cosmetics 16 color shadow palette. And this is the little mini one. I'm actually gonna just go ahead and put this away for a giveaway for you guys. I didn't realize they were small. I don't really like using small shadows like that. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely put this away and for a giveaway for you guys for the future. Well, it's Christmas time now, so maybe I'll just do like a little random mystery box or something and put this in there. So put this to the side. And then I got, oh, I remember this. Too bad I couldn't get this at Christmas time, but Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Guys, look at this. It's the Oh My God glitter, and it is red glitter. Do you know how much fun I'm going to have using this for February? I got to get on it now. Ooh, who wants to see a look with this? Ah, I'm so excited. Okay. Then I got the Big Mama Dama. Okay, this is the Big Naughty palette, which I heard amazing things about this palette. This was their Christmas palette this year. I guess I got the whole collection, but the brushes. That's the only thing I didn't get was the brushes. So I'm not mad at that. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I heard really good reviews, and that's why, and then it was on sale, so that's probably why I went ahead and grabbed it. So let me go ahead and open this bad boy. Whoa. Okay, this could be used for this month as well. If I could get this stupid thing off. Okay. This thing is like wrapped all the way around. I like this color right here, Candied Fruit. Ugh, okay, got a trick for you. Okay, there we go. Look at this. Oh, that is gonna be a thumbnail right there. Oh my God, look at Snow Day. Look at Jingle Bells. That's silver. Oh my God. Or is that gold? That's gold. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I'm so glad I got this. Can't wait to do a look with that. All right, and that is everything in the first box. So on to the next. The next box is all wrapped in this burlap sack. They're always putting stuff in burlap or whatever that is. Okay, so I got here the 6-piece Zodiac brush set. Like I said, I do not remember. Ooh, pretty. Please don't be mini. Please do not be mini. I hate mini brushes. Okay, not so much mini, but whatever. Ooh, these are nice. Very soft, and I love this case. Very nice. Look at that. Ooh, yes, girl. Okay, I also picked up the Midnight Festival brush set. Because I remember I said I wanted to get new brushes for the new year. So now I can put this out. Ooh, and it comes in a little cute. Comes in a little hot pink BH little kit. Ooh, these are nice. Those are face brushes. Kind of wanted eyes. I want an eye set, but they all fit nicely in here. I don't know. I might put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure. I wanted eye. I'm really looking for eye brushes right now. Put some gloss on real quick. That cashmere is kind of drying on my lip. Okay. And then I got a whole bunch of single brushes, which, like I said, I love BH Cosmetics brushes. I needed eye brushes. So I got, this does not look like a highlight. This is a highlighter brush. What the frick? This is big. And their brushes are so affordable. It just takes so long to get to you. But this is the highlight. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so this is the highlighter brush. Gotta clean up this room again. This is a, oh, and they're vegan too. Some of these are vegan. Most of these are vegan. I like their vegan ones. This one is a not actual brush size. This one is a, I don't know what, oh, blending brush. Okay. Not actual brush size. Caution, objects seem bigger than what they are. That is a big blending brush, honey. Jesus. Okay. And then we have this one. Why are these so fat? Good gracious. And then these are not vegan. This is a 6 crease. Good Lord. They definitely packed it up right. Oh, okay. This is a nice crease brush. And a blending crease. Is this what I just opened? Do I have duplicates of things? I don't know. I think I just opened this one. Okay. And last but not least in the box, 2 liquid eyeshadows. I really, really like BH Cosmetics liquid eyeshadows. This is a repurchase. I already have these and I don't have them no more. So I went ahead and got them. So this is a beautiful, like, it's iridescent and it's like a orange and gold. And I got this gorgeous blue. Look at that. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh. Woo, could do some eye looks with that bad boy. Ooh, tomorrow. or someday. I don't know. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay. So that was everything in my BH Cosmetics haul. Let me know if you have any of these things. Definitely, I don't know. See, these are face brushes, and I really don't need face brushes right now. So I might go ahead and put this and where'd it go? This and like the giveaway kind of thing, because I don't really need it. So I'm probably going to do that, honestly. But I'm really excited about this. Let me know if you want to see a look with this. This could be so good for Valentine's Day to do a look. And then I love this bag. This bag is so pretty. Anyways, I will see you guys on my next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Don't forget to enter that Valentine's Day giveaway. And I'll see you on my next one. Love y'all. Bye.
Tonight, you know you